Welcome back to my channel. This is Nikki of Nikki's Homemade Crafts. Today I'm going to teach you how to crochet this beautiful Christmas mosaic crochet square. It is 12 inches times 12 inches. It is part of the 2023 Mowgli Afghan square crochet along. I used 3 colors, although you can totally do this also in 2 colors. Using red hearts with love in white, green, and red. I also used a 6mm crochet hook. Start with a magic ring, chain 1, and add 8 single crochets to the ring, all done in white. Once you're done, pull up your loop and remove your hook, insert it into the first stitch from the back to the front, and move your loop back. That is the invisible slip stitch. I like to just drop my yarn and then pick it back up later, but if you don't want to see this ridge right here, I recommend cutting your yarn and weaving it in and starting fresh every time. But if the back doesn't matter to you, you can totally just drop your yarn and pick it back up. Put the red as a slip knot onto your hook, insert it through the back loop only, yarn over and pull through, and make a single crochet. Now all single crochets are done in the back loop only, so I'm just going to ignore saying that. Simply when I say single crochet, crochet them in the back loop only. There's one difference, however, and that is the corners. Only in a second round you're going to crochet into the back loop only. So that means after you made one single crochet in the next stitch, you're making a corner. That is one single crochet, chain 2, and another single crochet, all in the same stitch. Now you're going to repeat that all the way around. So one single crochet in one stitch, and then in the next stitch, one single crochet, chain of 2, and another single crochet. All of these stitches are done in the back loop only. At the end of the round, do a slip stitch again. Just like I did before, I'm going to do the invisible slip stitch by simply moving my loop through the first stitch to the back and then dropping it. Now I'm going to pick up my white again. I'm going to pull it through the back loop of the first stitch, chain 1, and now you're going to go down here to the leftover front loop and you're going to place a double crochet. Now in the next stitch, crochet a single crochet. Again, all single crochets on the back loop only. And now we're going to crochet the corner. So every time I say corner, you're now going to crochet one single crochet into that chain space, chain 2, and another single crochet. I'm going to call this stitch combination the corner. In the next stitch, you're going to crochet one single crochet, and now you're going to repeat what you just did. So a double crochet down 2 rows to the front loop, a single crochet in the next stitch, the corner, and another single crochet. Now go ahead and repeat that all the way around. In the next round, you're going to switch colors. You can do red or green. I'm going to show you for the swatch and how it looks like if you continue doing it with 2 colors. But you saw my project in the beginning on how it looks like with 3 colors. So for the square I showed you in the beginning, I did green, but now I'm going to do red. Either one is fine. So you can pick and choose your color combination as you wish. So once you do your slip stitch, just drop the white and you're going to pick up the red again or green depending on which one you pick. Now you're going to place a single crochet in the first stitch and a double crochet 2 rows down into the front loop. By the way, that stitch is known as the mosaic double crochet. In the next stitch, one single crochet, then the corner, another single crochet, and another double crochet 2 rows down. Now you're going to repeat that sequence. Then slip stitch, drop your color and pick up your white again, chain 1, and do 1 double crochet down 2 rows to that front loop, Now 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 single crochet, the corner, a single crochet, double crochet, single crochet, and now you're going to start over as you did before. Now go ahead and do your slip stitch again and switch colors. You're now going to do a single crochet, then a double crochet 2 rows down to that front loop. Now 3 single crochets in a row, the corner, then 3 single crochets in a row, a double crochet down, and now you repeat that all the way around. Now slip stitch and pick up your white again, chain 1, make a double crochet 2 rows down into that front loop, single crochet, then double crochet 2 rows down, single crochet, double crochet 2 rows down, single crochet. So that was now double, single, double, single, double, single, so 3 times in a row. Now the corner, and now repeat this process backwards, which is single, double, single, double, and single. And now you repeat that entire process all the way around. Keep in mind that the double crochets are always 2 rows down to the same color, or if you have green and red, then you just go from red to green or from green to red. If you just have 2 colors like I do right in this for this swatch, then you just go color for color. Anyways, repeat that process for this row all the way around. In the next 5 rounds, you're just going to crochet single crochet stitches, 1 stitch per stitch, and then in the corner again, you're going to crochet 1 single crochet, chain of 2, and 1 single crochet. Now all the other stitches are again just single crochet, and you're going to do this back and forth, switching colors for every row, and you're going to do this for 5 rounds in total. Once you crocheted your 5 rounds, you're now going to have white on your hook. You're going to chain 1, and now you're going to crochet a double crochet 2 rows down, then a single crochet. You're now going to repeat that 5 more times. Then you're going to crochet the corner, now you're going to crochet 1 single crochet, then a double crochet 2 rows down, and now repeat that 4 more times, and then 1 single crochet. And now what you just did, you need to repeat 3 more times all the way around. In the following round, you're going to switch back to the other color, and you're going to start with a single crochet and then a double crochet 2 rows down. You're going to repeat that now. Every time you see a double crochet in white, you're going to crochet single crochet, and then in between you're going to crochet double crochet. You do this all the way until the end, including this single crochet right here. You're going to place a double crochet on top, and this is how it looks like until you reach the corner. So it's back and forth between single, double, and so forth, and you're going to finish with a single in right before the corner. Then the corner has the single crochet, chain of 2, and single crochet, and then you start over with a single crochet in the next stitch, and then again a double crochet. And then you go back and forth again all the way around. You repeat this process. In the following round, switch again back to white and chain 1. You're going to crochet a double crochet down 2 rows to the previous double crochet that you made right there. So it's double crochet on top of double crochet in white. Now you're going to place a single crochet in the next stitch where the red double crochet is, and then you're going to repeat this process until the end, and you're going to finish with a single crochet. Then you're going to crochet the corner as normal. And now start over with a single crochet, then a double crochet, and now repeat this process all the way around. After the slip stitch, switch back to the other color and now crochet 1 single crochet on top of the double crochet in white, and wherever there is a double crochet in red, you're going to crochet a double crochet on top. Now you're going to repeat that until the end, and you're going to finish with a single crochet right before the corner. Then you're going to crochet the corner and crochet 1 single crochet in the next stitch, and then again a double crochet 2 rows down. And now you repeat that single crochet, double crochet, and you're going to repeat this all the way around, and the corners always have the corner stitches. Now switch back to the white and chain 1 and crochet a double crochet 2 rows down, then a single crochet, and now you repeat that until the end of this row here. You're going to finish up with a single crochet again in the corner, and then you're going to crochet 1 single crochet and then again a double crochet, and then repeat that. So single crochet, double crochet, and so forth, and then you're going to repeat that all the way around, and the corners are always corner stitches. Once you're done, go ahead and switch back to the other color, and now you're going to crochet 2 rounds of just single crochets in every stitch, and then the corner stitches are the corner stitches. So we're pretty much repeating what we did over here, but instead of 5 rows, we're doing 2 rows. And remember, you're switching colors every row. And once you're done, you just need to block your square so it fits exactly 12 times 12 inches, and it looks a lot cleaner and makes the stitches a little bit more straight. But here you can see the difference between using 2 colors versus 3 colors. The pattern has both color variations written down, so if you need to reference that, you can totally do so. I hope you enjoyed this square, and I hope you make lots of these. Be sure to like, comment, and share this video. And be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the bell to get a notification next time I'm publishing a video or go live. Now go ahead and watch the next video. You're going to want to, I promise you do.